So whether you're running some Ethernet cable in your house, or recently I upgraded my Wi-Fi out in the garage and I had to run some Ethernet cable in the house, I'm going to show you how to install an RJ45 end onto your Ethernet cable. It's pretty simple. All you're going to need is some RJ45 connectors on here, the Ethernet cable itself, some scissors, and a crimping tool. I'll leave a link in the description to all of these so that you can go pick them up if you need to do this. So let's get started. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut off about 2 inches of the outside jacket. We just want to score the outside of the jacket. And pull that off. Inside you have a bunch of wires that are coiled together. We're going to leave all of them together at the moment. You have this white strip that we'll cut off with a pair of scissors. Throw that away. So we will be starting with the orange and the white first, and we will untwist these wires. Make sure to try and straighten them as much as possible. It's going to help inserting it into the plug later. So you have the orange, and this is what I'm going to refer to as the white orange. So we'll straighten these as much as we can. It'll help inserting it into the plug when we're done. So don't untwist these until we're ready to get them in order. I like holding them all with my left hand. So we'll start with the white orange and then the orange. Make sure to keep these straight. And then while holding that, we will untwist the white and the green. So we'll take the white and the green first, which is the white that was twisted with the green. Straighten it. Put that in with the orange. And we'll set the green aside for right now. And we will untwist the white and the blue one. I'll take the blue and we'll set that next to the white one. Making sure to keep these as straight as possible. Then we'll take the white one that was twisted with the blue. We'll put that right next to it. Then we'll take the green, do the same thing. Then we'll untwist this last white and brown one. And that goes white, brown. Try to straighten it. Trying to keep these as close as possible because there's really no room once we stick that plug in there. They need to be right next to each other. So straighten the brown. And the brown goes right next to the white one. So that's your order. I will flip up a picture so that you guys can follow along and pause it. Try to get these as close together as possible because that is the order that they will be going in. You guys can see that. We'll hold it right at the end and we'll take a pair of scissors and we'll cut it off straight. About like that. That will help when we go to stick it in there. So that's the order. So now once we got all that, we'll take the plug, make sure that the tab is down, and we will feed these in. They have channels that they all follow. And as long as you have them in there, kind of give it a little bit of a wiggle as you push it in. And they will all come sticking out the end. So once we have all of our wires sticking through, about 1/4 of an inch, we can take the plug and we can push it all the way down to where our yellow jacket is just inside of it. About like that. Now we can take this special crimping tool, and your plug only goes in one way. Stick the plug in all the way, and as we crimp it down, it will cut all the wires off of it. Then we can pull it back out, and that is your wired RJ45 Ethernet plug. Do that to both your ends and save a little bit of money. Now that you know how to wire up the RJ45 plug on the end of the Ethernet cable, now you can run your internet out to your garage. You can buy a bunch of buried line and make your own ends rather than buying one that's already pre-terminated. This comes in handy a lot of times when you just simply need a cord shortened. You never know. So if you guys like this video, give it a like, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.